नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बेटियों। आई जेवीएन डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्यतंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In previous classes we discussed about firstly anatomy of stomach, then pyloric stenosis. In today's class we will discuss about peptic ulcer disease. जिसको आयुर्वेद में अपन बोलते हैं आमाशय व्रण। ठीक, what is the peptic ulcer and what is the causes of peptic ulcer we will discuss now. Peptic ulcer defined: ulcerated lesions in the mucosa of the stomach or duodenum. Means किसी भी तरह के अल्सर ड्यूडेनम और स्टमक के अंदर किसी भी तरह के अल्सर। ये टू टाइप्स देयर इज टू टाइप्स, गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर और ड्यूडेनल अल्सर। आयुर्वेद में जिसको अपन बोलते हैं गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर और ड्यूडेनल अल्सर, जिसको आयुर्वेद में अपन बोलते हैं अन्नद्रवसूल और परिणामसूल। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? This is showing the peptic ulcer disease. This diagram, this picture is showing diagram of, this is the esophagus, this one is esophagus, and this is the stomach. This one is showing, this one is showing ulcer. This one also ulcer, and this one also ulcer. So student, this is the gastric ulcer, and this one is the duodenal ulcer. Okay, students, these are two type of ulcer. Stomach defense system. What is the defense system? Means the protective layers or the protective mechanism of stomach. First one is mucous layer, coats and lines of stomach. First line of defense, this is the mucous layer. Bicarbonate neutralize the acid of stomach. Prostaglandin, prostaglandin, hormones like substance that keep blood vessels dilated for good blood flow, so to stimulate mucus and bicarbonate production. This is the defense mechanism. Etiology and genetic risk. Pelvic PUD disease, peptic ulcer disease, primarily associated with non-inflammatory and non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs use and infection with pelvic bacteria. Certain drugs may contribute to cause theodore, caffeine, corticosteroids. Genetic factors are also the risk factors. The etiology. Risk factors: lifestyle like smoking, acidic drink, medications, H. pylori infection. 90% 90% have this bacterium passed from person to person, fecal oral route or oral route. As duodenal ulcer is mostly 30 to 50 decades. Gastric over 60 age. Gender, duodenals are increasing in older women. Genetic factors more likely family member has AHX. Other factors, stress can worsen the condition but not the cause. Gastric ulcers. Pain occurs. Now we will start first type of ulcer is gastric ulcer. Means annadrausul. Pain occurs 1 to 2 hours after the meals. Pain usually does not wake patient. Accentuated by ingestion of food. Risk of malignancy deep and penetrating and usually occur on the laser curvature of the stomach. गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर कब होता है? खाना खाने के 1 या 2 घंटे बाद में. इससे पेशेंट इसमें इतना पेन नहीं होता है कि पेशेंट जग जाए, यानी पेशेंट इस पेन की वजह से नहीं जगता है. इंजेक्शन ऑफ बॉडी कैसे शांत होता है? खाना खाने के बाद में ये कम हो जाता है. पेन अकर्स आफ्टर 2 and 4 hours आफ्टर मील. ये 2 से 4 खाना खाने के 2 से 4 घंटे के बाद में होता है. पेन वेक्स द पेशेंट. पेन इतना होता है कि पेशेंट को जगा देता है. पेन रिलीव्ड बाय फूड. पेन रिलीव्ड बाय फूड. खाने से ये दर्द इसमें आराम आ जाता है. वेरी लिटिल रिस्क ऑफ मैलिग्नेंसी. नाउ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन duodenal ulcer and gastric ulcer. Any age, especially 30 to 40. This is gastric for middle age 50 to 60. Sex more in male. Gastric ulcer more in female. In duodenal ulcer, stress occupation is stress job. Example जैसे manager. Gastric ulcer same occupation also. Pain in duodenal ulcer epigastric pain होता है and discomfort. In gastric ulcer epigastric can radiate to back. Onset 2 or 3 hours after eating and midnight. Immediately after eating. Aggravated by duodenal ulcer aggravated by hunger. Gastric ulcer aggravated by eating. Duodenal ulcer relieved by eating. Gastric ulcer lying down or vomiting. Duodenal ulcer duration is 1 to 2 months, and gastric ulcer duration is few weeks. Duodenal ulcer vomiting is uncommon. In duodenal ulcer vomiting is uncommon. In gastric ulcer vomiting is common and to relieve the pain. In duodenal ulcer appetite is good, and in gastric ulcer patient afraid to eat. Diet in duodenal ulcer and diet is good, eat to relieve the pain. Good to relieve the pain. And gastric ulcer avoid fried food. In duodenal ulcer no weight loss, and gastric ulcer have weight loss. Hematemesis in duodenal ulcer 40%. Hematemesis in gastric ulcer 60%. Melena in duodenal ulcer 60%. Gastric ulcer in 40%. These are the difference between the duodenal ulcer and gastric ulcer. Now, then general peptic ulcer symptoms, diagnosis and management treatment we'll discuss in next class. In this class we discussed about definition, etiology and difference between duodenal ulcer and gastric ulcer. Okay students, clear? This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If you hope you are satisfied by this digital session. If you have any query or doubts, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you. Namaste students. Khusro Video, IJV and Dr. Naren Singh Sekhawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Salyatantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In previous class, we discussed about ascites. Now in today's class, we will discuss about appendix. Contents of appendix: definition, then pathophysiology, clinical features, diagnosis, difference, diagnosis, and treatment. Incident, as you can see, what is the incidence? Surgical anatomy. It is located it is located at the terminal end of the cecum where 3 T join about 2 cm below the ileocecal orifice, usually around 5 to 10 cm in size. Variable size of lumen. Mesoappendix is an extension of the mesentery, contains appendicular artery, a branch of which ileocholic artery. Often in accessory appendicular artery may be present. Thrombus of three vessels leads to gangrenous appendicitis. For table demonstration, the sorry, the mesoappendix with appendicular artery. Note the appendix. Note the appendix: A. Mesoappendix, B. Cecum, C. Ileum, D. Ileum, C. Cecum. Note A. Appendix, B. Mesoappendix, C. Cecum, D. Ileum, and E. Senior coli. Okay, students. Different anatomical position of the appendix: A. Retrocecal, most common; pre-ileal; B. C. Post-ileal; D. Pelvic; E. Subcecal; F. Paracecal. Appendix. What is mean by appendix? Inflammation of appendix. Appendix is called appendicitis. It's generally caused by an obstruction, lymphoid obstruction, and infection. Predisposing factor for appendicitis: first, obstructive agents, and second, infective agents. Obstructive agent means foreign bodies, animal, vegetables, minerals, subcommunal lymphoids. Infective agent: primary infection leading to lymphoid hyperplasia, second infection, both aerobic and anaerobic is also. Type type of appendicitis is acute appendicitis, acute appendicitis with mass, acute appendicitis with peritonitis. Pathophysiology: acute inflammation of mucous membrane with second infection without obstruction cause acute non-obstructive appendicitis. It may lead into resolution, fibrosis, recurrent appendicitis, or eventually obstructive appendicitis. This one also another pathophysiology. Acute appendicitis thought to begin with acute appendicitis throat to begin with the obstruction of the ileum. Obstruction can result from food matter adhesions or lymphoid hyperplasia. Mucosal secretion continues to increase in term luminal pressure. Eventually, the pressure exceeds capillary perfusion pressure, and venous and lymphatic drainage are obstructed. With vascular compromise, epithelial mucosa breaks down and bacterial invasion by bowel flora occurs. Increased pressure also leads to arterial and tissue infarction, and result is perforation and spillage of infected appendiceal content into the peritoneum. As inflammation continues, serosa and adjacent structure become inflamed. This triggers somatic pain fibers innervating the peritoneal structures, causing pain in the RLQ, right lower quadrant. The change in the stimulation from visceral to somatic Pen fibers explain the classic migraines of the pen in the periumbilical area to the right lower quadrant seen with acute appendicitis. Exception exists in the classic presented due to anatomic variability of the appendix. Appendix can be retrocecal, causing the pen to localize to the right flank. This is all about part first of appendicitis, include definitions, causes, and pathophysiology of appendicitis. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with this discussion. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.